Upcycle. The three co-founders worked at Starbucks when we were in high school. When we were in high school, we would throw out tons and tons of coffee grounds into the trash. Literally, our process was first, get rid of all of those customers that were up to the door, and then afterwards, our second job was to take all the trash out, and those every single hour we'd do this. In just one store alone, can you imagine in the entire United States, just Starbucks alone? But then there's other smaller coffee shops as well. We did further research on this, and we found out that only 1/3 of trash ends up being recycled. What happens to the rest gets incinerated, which ends up as methane gas into the atmosphere, and then the rest gets just buried in landfills. This is an enormous problem, so we are here to fix this. Now, what we found out is that what we can do is recycle and repurpose this waste that has been consumed already and repurpose it into eco-friendly and natural products. Therefore, we are going directly into the source. Our market is really quite big. What we do is we collect, first of all, from the local partner shops, and also we're not only focusing on coffee, we're also doing flower shops, and we're also connecting with local carpenters that have sawdust. And what we do with this is then we transport it into our local partners that we outsource to. They produce it for us. We don't hold any inventory, and we don't purchase the supplies. So that's all on them. We just pay them for them to make it for us. Then what we do is we redistribute it into our e-commerce store and through our partner shops that are retail markets here in the area. We have a strategic roadmap of how we're going to accomplish this mission. We have decided to innovate and make really cool, amazing products in the following areas. First, we'll be focusing on the health and beauty market. The product that we started off with is an exfoliating soap, which you can grab a sample. Do not eat it. It does smell incredibly good, though. And eventually, after 2 years, we would like to expand into the home and garden market. And after 2 years after that, we will be expanding into the energy and fuel market, which would be quite enormous. The reason why we're doing that as last is because it will require the most amount of capital. Our customers are buyers that are looking for eco-friendly products, and they're very much concerned about their effect on the environment. We have determined about 37 million individuals fall under this category, and in the United States alone, taking into those 3 phases that I just pointed out, the previous slide, we'll be looking at an addressable market of $4.4 billion alone. Now, we are not alone in this market. Upcycling, although very new, we do have competitors. Our main competitors are Upcycle and TerraCycle. They focus on hard to recycle products and hard to upcycle products. They're basically going for ad hoc materials. On the other hand, what we are doing is we're looking at what is consumed across the entire United States and what products are consumed in the entire United States, and those are the ones that we're going to focus on. Now, we are already starting to sell our exfoliating soaps at Glenn's Market and Dawson's Market here locally. We're also focusing on our own e-commerce shop. We sell through eBay as well. And we're looking to expand in year 2 into further e-commerce stores such as Amazon and other organic retail markets around the area. The team is comprised by a team of leaders that have complementary skills. We have been already in a startup setting, so we already have a proven track record of that. And the great thing is that we all complement each other in what we do. Due to the fact that we recycle, we basically collect recyclable goods, we have a very healthy operating margin because it's collected free of cost for us. So that is really our comparative advantage. Now, I'd like to invite you guys to our booth, but I would also like to invite you to the movement. It's a movement that should really start at the entrepreneurial level, and it's something that I think that the world is in dire need of. We're doing a very bad job of managing our waste, and I'm hoping that together we can make this world a better place. Thank you.